careful of his nuts. Already almost endoed the car. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, don't do that again. That shit fuck freaked me out. Why did you pick this trail, Jonathan? Oh shit. Wearing the worst shoes in the world for this fucking crap. Sambas. Oh, come on. Seriously? Uh-oh.
Wow. That's crazy. You really did. I thought you were gonna flip over.
Oh yeah, I thought he was gonna fucking endo.